Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Orbit token. Ticker symbol is Grift. Now this token here has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. This is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Right now it is up 43% in the past 24 hours. We're going to go over the information on the Orbit token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So since this is a Solana token, if you're looking for it, you can find it on SolScan. But if you're looking for the chart, the price, and all the statistical information, you can find it on DEX Tools, on BirdEye, on DEX Screener, possibly CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I could check here to see if that pops up. They have a web page. They have a, let's see here, Twitter and a Discord, all linked here on DEX Screener. Usually they have a Telegram linked on DEX Screener, but it's a Discord instead. This token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, right now they have 5,200 holders. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, so right now the total and circulating supply is 999.99 million tokens. They have a DEX score of 82 out of 99, according to DEX Tools. Now, they lost some points for information because there's no like big document section or white paper or anything like that for info on this token. They do have a web page with some info though. And they have a audit here by Quick Intel Security. It says contract verified, no freezable contract, no honeypots, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit, doesn't go over everything. And on their webpage, if you go to orbitcryptoai.com, there is a chat box in the top right-hand corner. You can click on that chat. It'll take you to chat.orbitcryptoai.com. They have a button that says Explore, and you can click on that, and that's all about AI agents. They have the contract address, Twitter, and link to their Discord on the webpage. The ultimate blockchain unifier. It says your all-in-one DeFi companion, decentralized finance, now with 40% more SaaS. So swaps and bridges. It says want to swap tokens across 116 chains? I'll do it while barely paying attention. Staking and yield. Passive income, that's my favorite kind. Let me park those assets where they'll work as lazy as I do. Lending and borrowing. Need some quick cash? I've got a guy. Well, technically I am the guy, and technically I'm not a guy. So this is, you know, an AI with some sass over here. So portfolio management. I'll manage your portfolio with the same care I give for polishing my shiny metal interface. Now it says here you can launch an Orbit agent. You click on that and it says, warning, may occasionally gamble with your assets. Just kidding, or am I? So it says, listen up, flesh bags. Here's how to join the revolution. Number 1, you can install a wallet, you primitive screwhead. Look, even a malfunctioning calculator could do this. Just download Phantom or whatever wallet floats your boat. I don't judge much. Number 2, get some sweet, sweet soul. Need soul? Buy it from an exchange. And so, yeah, they're basically giving you step-by-step how to get the token. So you can use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or Soulflare wallet. You could download any one of those from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Then you would go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then you would, using the contract address you could find on their webpage, orbitcryptoai.com, you would trade your Sol for the Grift token using that contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage, and you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. And this token may also be available on other Solana dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, or Orca. So it says the Shiny Metal Tokenomics, they minted 1 billion tokens. They have the token address, bunch of memes at the bottom of their webpage here, and just, a whole bunch of jokes as you scroll through. So it says they have cross-chain supremacy, 116 chains, AI-powered trading. My circuits are 40% smarter than your financial advisor, and lightning-fast swaps. While you're reading this, I've already made 3 profitable trades, it says. Remember, I'm not just another AI. I'm the future of DeFi with a drinking problem and a heart of gold. Technically, it's a plutonium-powered reactor, but who's counting? So they have here the chat, where you can open the chat thing and actually chat to Orbit. And it says, oh, look who decided to show up. What do you want from Orbit, a.k.a. the best in the business? So you could actually chat with Orbit there. At the bottom, at the top of the chat page, there's even a button to buy the Grift token as well. All sorts of links there. So this token actually just came out 2 days, 1 hour ago on Radium. That's how brand new this project is. Right now, they're up 36%. They have a market cap of $21.5 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They have 24-hour trading volume of $13.4 million. Just today, they've had 20,097 transactions. They have $806,000 worth of liquidity in Radium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.21% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And token price right now is about 2.16 cents per token. So there's already been a community takeover too for this token 2 days ago. It says a community claimed ownership for this token December 6th. I am the original dev of the project, it says here. And yeah, so anyways, it says it's a CTO according to Dex Screener. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.